In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign out of LinkedIn on Android. This is a quick walkthrough you can follow if you're switching devices, troubleshooting a notification issue, or just want a fresh start the next time you open the app. First, make sure you're on your LinkedIn homepage in the Android app. From there, tap your profile icon. On most Android devices, you'll find your profile picture in the top left or top right corner of the screen. This opens your account menu where you manage settings and preferences. Next, tap Settings. Depending on your version of the app, Settings is typically listed toward the bottom of that menu. If you don't see it right away, scroll a little within the menu until it appears. Tapping Settings takes you to the place where you can control your account, privacy, notifications, and more. Now scroll down within the settings screen until you see the Sign Out option. It's usually near the bottom. When you find Sign Out, tap it. LinkedIn will ask you to confirm, so go ahead and tap Sign Out again to complete it. After this confirmation, you'll be signed out of the app on your Android device. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. Once you sign out, your notifications from this device will pause until you sign back in. Any drafts you haven't posted won't be published automatically, so be sure you've saved anything important before you leave. When you're ready to return, just open the app and sign in with your account credentials. If you use a password manager, make sure it's available so you can log back in smoothly. If your screen looks a little different, that's normal. LinkedIn updates its interface from time to time, but the flow is the same. Go to your homepage, open your profile menu, enter Settings, scroll down, and choose Sign Out. Look for your profile picture to access the account menu and for the settings label near the bottom of that menu. Signing out can help resolve minor glitches, refresh your session, or simply give you peace of mind if you're handing your phone to someone else. It doesn't delete your account or remove your connections, it just ends your current session on this device. That's all there is to it. You've learned exactly how to sign out of LinkedIn on Android quickly and confidently. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.